Milpitas Extreme Robotics, and throughout our time here as a club, we have always strived to teach and inspire others to spark their passion in robotics. We have won different awards since our founding in 2002, but our main goal has always been to give back to the community and to help lift each other up, building a stronger and more passion-filled community for all of us.
We hosted the Pomeroy after-school class at Marshall Pomeroy Elementary School in 2018. Through this class, we taught 4th to 6th graders robotics-related skills to successfully build and code a robot from scratch.
The Interclub competition is a competition hosted by our club in 2019 for newcomers and other partner clubs, requiring its competitors to construct a robot to complete a set of challenges using VEX EDR kits and parts, along with Robot C to program the robot. This exposure to robotics helps prepare them for competitive competitions for the future, such as VEX. Teams are 3 people, where we try to include 1 experienced person and 2 people in a team randomly so that these newcomers can learn as much as possible.
In the summer of 2019, we held the Robotica Camp, where we taught students from 4th to 8th grade STEM-related skills needed to create and code a robot, and then they had a competition of their robots. This gave them exposure to what competitive robotics is like, in addition to learning how to program. They were also given engineering challenges which encouraged them to think outside the box and collaborate with others. This can also be applied in robotics and also in the STEM field.
Milpitas Extreme Robotics hosted a VEX GirlPowered Workshop to get more people interested in STEM. Since women only represent 24% in the STEM field, during this workshop, we aim to introduce many younger students and girls to VEX and do several hands-on projects to make them familiar with robots.
During the fall of 2019, we held Mechanism Robotics classes for students from elementary and middle school at a community college. Using the skills taught in our Robotica summer camp, the students were able to create a robot using a microbit. With this project, they were able to learn how to implement skills learned independently into robotics.
Do you want to continue robotics, and what about this program wanting you to continue robotics?
I want to continue robotics because, first of all, it's very fun, and also whenever I do my homework, I don't concentrate very well. But whenever I do robotics, it makes me concentrate very well. I think I like this program because we could build the robots, and the robots took a little bit of time, but it was still fun.
We're not just a club, we're a team, and we're a family. Our mission is to spark a passion for robotics in all of our members, to watch them fall in love, and to help them never let go. Because we don't just build robots, we build memories for a lifetime.